Hi, my name's Jed, and I've known Rodney for quite some time now. I taught Rodney as a student back in the late 80s, early 90s, and have fond memories of him in my class. He was an outstanding student, and a student who went the extra mile, who's enthusiastic, and it's not a surprise to me that Rod's enthusiasm and just his interests have led him into aquaponics, because he was a great biology student, and that he is keen and committed to this area of plant growth, of gardening. The aquaponics system also highlights the environment, as students are getting hands-on experience in environmental systems such as the food web and the flow of energy, the flow of nutrients, the flow of elements such as carbon and nitrogen. And as such, it begins to cultivate an interest in them in the environment, which I think is really important in primary school probably, but also high school. Environmental issues are becoming more prominent in the media, and the consequences of ignoring environmental issues are becoming very obvious to many people, including students. And I feel that an aquaponics system highlights that, probably amplifies it to some extent. But it also empowers and enables students, because it enables them to actually do something about the situation. Food security is a big issue in terms of climate change. In summation then, the aquaponics system at school enables students to become responsible, to become committed, because the system needed attention, the fish needed feeding, to develop an independent source of food, and to change their lifestyle from that of macas and food that wasn't good for them, to food that enabled them to live a healthy lifestyle and to tread lightly on the planet.